In today's video, we're going to learn how to convert a regular email into an automated email in HubSpot, step by step. If you feel overwhelmed by sending the same emails again and again, this feature can make your workflow much easier. Let's quickly talk about why this matters. Regular emails are sent manually, which takes time and constant attention. Automated emails, on the other hand, can be triggered automatically based on actions or workflows. Once set up, they work in the background while you focus on other tasks. To get started, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Marketing section. From there, click on Emails. This is where all your email drafts and campaigns are stored. Now find the regular email you want to turn into an automated one. Before moving forward, make sure this email is not published. If it's already published, don't worry, you can simply clone the email and use the cloned version for automation. Once you're working with an unpublished email, hover over it and click Edit. This will open the email editor. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the Actions drop-down menu. Click on that menu and select Convert to Automated Email. HubSpot will instantly change the email type, making it ready to be used inside workflows or automation rules. After the conversion, take a moment to review the email. Make sure the subject line, content, and personalization tokens still look correct. Once everything checks out, you can save the email and use it in your automation workflows. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned a manual email into an automated one, saving time and creating a more consistent experience for your contacts. And that's how you convert regular emails into automated emails in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.